Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload longer than 15-second videos on Instagram stories. As you know that Instagram doesn't allow you to upload more than 15-second stories, but if you want to upload longer than 15-second videos, so try these steps, it will definitely work. First of all, you have to go to your Play Store, click on it, and in the search bar you just type Storycutter for Instagram, and after installing this app, click on open. And here you see two options, record or gallery, so simply select gallery and then select a video. And here you see video length segment option, so select the length option and then click on select, and then click on view story. And here you see the option of share, so simply click on that. And then here you see the option of Instagram story, so then click on Instagram story. So now you will be able to upload longer than 15-second videos on Instagram stories. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.